What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be hopefully a pretty short video of how I made my new Sharpie Shiv. I saw at least one company, maybe multiple companies, making some of these, and they were like $40 or $50 a piece, which is pretty good with the work that gets involved in pulling this off. But at my shop, I can make my own. So I got a Sharpie and took it apart, popped this off, got the ink thing out of there, and didn't have to do anything to the Sharpie itself as far as the plastic pieces. And then the steel here is actually 416 stainless steel. I made that and popped it in place. I had to do a couple of trial and errors going back and forth between the lathe and polishing and getting the angle right on that. So I'll go ahead and be quiet and show you the clips of how I made this. So that's how I made my new Sharpie Shiv. If you're interested, be sure to check out the watchjoshwiley.com website. There's a page on there with discount codes and links to all the different companies that have supported the channel. If you use the link, use the discount code, it supports the channel. And there's another page on there that shows a little bit of stuff that I offer with pricing and stuff like that. Be sure to follow me over on Instagram at the Josh Wiley channel. I post some pictures over there of different stuff that I'm doing. And if you haven't yet, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and let me know all of your comments, thoughts down in the comments section. And if you haven't yet, be sure to consider getting subscribed here on the channel. That's all I have for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. See you.